Guys, in today's session, we'll see how to configure Ansible and how to work with Ansible. Yes, guys, Ansible, coming to Ansible. So, Ansible is a configuration and management tool, and it's a complete open source automation tool, and we can use for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. Okay, and it allows us to automate repetitive tasks, manage infrastructure as a code. Okay, and we can we can orchestrate complex deployment across the entire environment. Okay, and on premises and on cloud also. Now we are seeing that configuration, how to configure Ansible on premises. Then we can see that in the AWS console also. Okay, guys. Yes, where we can use this one. What is the use of this Ansible? Yes, it's a configuration management tools. It helps. It helps in maintaining and configuring servers, applications, and networkings. Okay, application deployment, user management, disk management, file management, and networking management, package management. Okay, like that we can do lot of not a lot of every task we can do by using this Ansible tool, and we can deploy the applications. Okay, it's facilitating us automated deployment of applications and updates across environments. Next, task automation. Okay, Ansible, it's providing to automate routine tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Okay, within the short time we can manage and we can automate tasks by using this Ansible. And coming to infrastructure as a code, IAC, Ansible allows us Ansible allows infrastructure to be defined and managed as a code, making it easier to replace, replicate, scalable, automate on each and every concept in the entire environment. Okay, guys. So here so many benefits are there. Out of those, okay, here some of that. Yes, is simple. By using Ansible, ML files. Okay, we can manage and we can control agents and that infrastructure. Next, it's a very powerful. We can manage this complex deployments and supports extensive integrations, and it's agentless. It's the Ansible will communicate with manage the nodes using SSH or PowerShell. Okay, reducing overhead. But in our case, we are using SSH. Okay, and scalable. Okay, whenever you want to reduce or increase the infrastructure, scalable. Okay, easily scalable, or we can easily scale a few servers to thousands of servers or nodes. Okay, so whenever you are not having demand, yes, automatically it will come down. Okay, whenever we are having demand, yes, automatically it will increase that resources. And it's a versatile. It works across cloud, virtualization, and physical infrastructure. And coming to that Ansible architecture, yes, here. Now see here, guys. So for example, how we can manage. So let me show you how we can that. Okay, infrastructure, how the Ansible architecture will work. So guys, this is one server. This is one server. Okay, here we are managing as a, or we are configuring as a Ansible controller It's one server and another server, whatever we are having infrastructure. For example, see guys, these all are the servers, whatever we are having, these all are the undercome environment or infrastructure. If we want to manage or if we want to control this entire infrastructure, yes, we can create one Ansible controller, then we can add these all nodes into Ansible controller list. After that, we can manage whatever you want. For example, if you want to update this one, if you want to delete any package, or if you want to configure any inside this Jenkins, like that. So whatever we are having infrastructure, that infrastructure entered under come into controller. Okay, here. So first of all, yes, here we are having nodes now. Yes, already we are having some servers. Just let me, yes, launch this one. Yes, here we are having, yes, I'll take one. Of course, maybe we can't reduce. Let me power off. Yes, now RAM okay, but processors are only. I have that less processors. So now power on this one and Git server. Yes, power on this one. On the Nexus server, I think I have removed this all. Okay, yes. Let me, here also 1 GB enough. Yes, power on this one. Next, just 1 GB enough and one processor is enough. Yes, power on this one. Yes, here we can't. Yes, here we are having. Just me take. Okay, guys. Yes, here have. So okay, let me close this one. No need. See, guys, these all are the servers. Now what I'm doing that now I'm going to creating one Ansible controller. Ansible controller. See, guys. So this is the Ansible controller, and here we are having. So one is the test server, SonarQube, Tomcat, okay, some other server and some other one. See, guys. Now I'm going to launching this one. See, here how many we are having at present? One, two, three, four, five, six servers we have. We have six servers. Okay, yes. Login into server. There's a test git server. So 154, 157. Okay. Now Ansible configuration. Here we are having the servers nodes first. Okay, nodes list. Is 154, 192.168.254.157. Yes, 192.168.254.157. What is the server here? It's a Git server. Git server. Next. So here we are having one more node. Yes, root and its password. Yes, 154. SonarQube. Next, one more server, Tomcat web server. Login as a root and its password. IP space A. It's the 152. 152. What is that? Tomcat web server. Tomcat web server. What is this one? 154. Next, so one more server. Yes, so login as a root and its password. IP space A 163. Just okay. Uh, Git practice or else anyone uh, web 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 app server. Yes, we will name that 163. Next, CACD server 135. 135 CI/CD server. Next, the last one, Ansible controller. Just let me pick it here. Yes, 164 Ansible controller. Okay, these are the servers. At present, we are having these servers. And take this one. Yes, controller mission. Controller mission. Okay. Now, these are the servers. So here what we are doing, yes guys, this is the Ansible controller. Now these are the different servers, whatever we have taken that. For one is SonarQube, one is the CI/CD server, one is the web server, one is the Git server, like that. Okay, yes, Sonar server, SonarQube server, yes, and Git server. Next, whatever we are having, what is that, CI/CD server, CI/CD server. Okay, next some other servers we are having total. So how many we are having? Total one, two, three, four, five, or six. So web server, web app server. Okay, yes, web app server. Next another one, Tomcat server. So these are the servers. So now, so what we are doing? We are okay. This is the now what we have to do. We need to configure. We need to configure. So first of all, we need to name the all servers. We need to name the all servers. Then in the controller mission, then the controller mission in this file, in this file. So this file is /etc post, /etc post file. In this file, so what we have to do? We need to add the sonar IP. Next, it's a host name. It's a Git server IP. Next, CI/CD IPs, CI/CD server IP, web app IP. Next, Tomcat IP. So we need to add this all IP addresses along with its host name. Okay, we need to add in this Ansible controller in the /etc host file. Then the same time we need to IP and host name, IP and space host name. Like that, we need to add all servers IP addresses and its host name. It's a host name. Like this, we need to add. We need to add all host name, its IP address in the Ansible controller. Then the next step, okay, then generate generate SSH key, SSH key here. Generate SSH key. Then another one, This is one task. So another one, this is one task. This is another task. The Ansible controller. The Ansible controller. Then, then, okay, share the key, generate the key, and share the key to all, key to all missions, all node missions. Okay, this is another task. You have to send this key to all missions. What is that? SSH public key. We need to send that key, public key to this one. So what we have to add SSH key. Yes, this Ansible controller works over SSH. Over SSH key. Secure shell. Secure shell. We need to configure this one. So this is the first step. This is the first process. Then, if you want to, after doing this, so what we have to do? If you want to manage this all servers by this Ansible controller, so the next part, so we need to install. We need to install EPEL, extra package for enterprise Linux. Install EPEL, extra package for enterprise Linux. Then on this one, after installing this one, we have to install Ansible. Then we have to install Ansible software. After installing, in this mission, Ansible controller mission, yes, we will get one file, that is /etc Ansible host. This is the inventory file. This is the default inventory file. This is the default inventory file. Now inside this file, we have to add all nodes information here. Whatever we have added in the /etc host file, we need to add this all servers information here. Okay, like this. One by one we need to add. Yes, we need to add its details. This server host name or IP address. Host name or IP address inside this file. Host name or IP address. What is this? This is the host file. This is the file. Inside this file, so what we have to do? So we need to add this all servers IP address or host name or both we need to add into this mission. So once it's over, then save and exit. Then you can go for work execution. So once it's over, then you can go for yes, come here. Now you can execute the commands. Now execute. the Ansible commands. Okay, by using Ansible. By using Ansible, you can execute this one. So now here what we have to do, we need to set up, okay, install Ansible software. Ansible software. Then after installing, you will get one file with the name of Ansible slash host file. Then enter into that file. Then you can add these all details into that file. The server, okay, server host name and IP address. Add into this mission. Then you can go for executing Ansible commands, whatever you want, whatever we want. So whenever you are going to executing the commands, if the commands are working successfully, it means we have configured successfully this Ansible environment. We have configured Ansible environment successfully. So this is the flow process, guys. Now let me show you how to install and configure this one. So now see here, guys, already I have installed. Already I have installed, and the IP addresses are, what are the IP address? So yes, login as a root. This is one server IP address. 157 is over. This one over. Now, so 154. Yes, login as a root. Next, another server 152. Yes, again login as a root, and it's one. Okay, it's a Tomcat. Next, another one. This one over. Next, 163. 163. Yes, root, and it's one. Okay. Next, 135. Sorry, 160. Is it 135? Yes, 135. 135. Yes, if it is first time, it will ask us like this. Yes, now login as a root, and it's password. Next, finally, the last one, Ansible controller 164. 164. Yes, if it is first time, it will ask like this. Accept. Yes, again, root. Okay, let me bring this one to front. Now this is the Ansible controller, guys. 164 is the Ansible controller. Just let me rename this one Ansible controller. Ansible controller. Okay. Now, guys, let me increase small font size. Okay. Okay. Now, guys. So what we have to do first? First, yes, one by one here in this server. Yes, m update -y, m update -y. Next, name the host name. Host name ctl. Set host name. Yes, uh, Ansible controller or ANSI controller. ANS. I'm giving the short name, guys. And ANS controller. Okay. Next, exec bash. Then, okay. Yes. So m install epel release y. Next, so m install Ansible y. Okay. Then before that, before setting that, yes, here vam/etc host file, vam/etc host file. Yes, now take this one. So here whatever we are having host names, let me set one by one. Let me set, yes, host name ctl. So first of all, let me take this one. We are having requirement to this one. So I'll tell that what is the reason for taking that. Okay, now, okay, host name ctl set hyphen host name set hyphen host name. Next, next. So these are the, yes, we are going to setting host name. Then exec bash. Copy this one. Okay. So don't take this one. This is the IP address. In this server, we need to set the host name. Okay. So now coming to, so this one is over. Now let me set host name. First of all, update this one. Copy this one. Move to Ansible controller. Just, yes, it's going to updating. Just wait, wait. It's going to updating. Okay, guys, successfully. So we have which one we did? Yes, we have updated, and you can check that we have updated and set the host name. See, guys. Now, so next one. So what we have to do? Okay, this one is over. Now we are going to setting the host name. First of all, set each host name in each server in 157. Yes, in this server. Okay, it's now host name. Next, in 154, take this one. So if already existing names are there, just we are going to rename that. Okay, yes, host name. Next one. Okay, so we can take existing name also. Okay, in 152. Yes. Okay. Host name. So before that there was a Tomcat, but now we said that Tomcat web server. Okay. We can set whatever you want, or else you can take existing name. Okay. Yes. Now in 163. Okay. Here already we are having build server. Now what we are doing that we are going to setting web app server. Okay. Now something. Okay. Something went wrong. So it's already CI/CD server. Already the CI/CD server we are having just host name. See, guys. So everything is fine. Everything is fine. Now host name. So now same names. Now these are the same names. What we are doing? So yes, now we are taking this one for adding into. So now take this, take these 5 servers. Okay. Now where we need to add? Where we need to add in the /etc host inside Ansible controller. Now come here. Yes. In the Ansible controller, yes, VAM /etc host. Okay, here we don't have the command. Now let me install all these packages prerequisites. So after that, so I'm in install wget vam tar make unzip. Okay, yes. Okay, now we are going to installing and git also. Git also. Okay, we are going to installing these packages in the Ansible controller machine. We can install these packages by using Ansible also. So whatever we have installed packages in the Ansible controller, the same packages we can install by using Ansible. Direct at present we are installing directly these packages. Okay, directly now we are going to installing these packages by manually. The same commands we can execute by Ansible once we configure Ansible controller. Okay, now vam/etc host. Now come here, don't disturb this one, or else you can remove that. Okay, now take these 5 servers. In this list, we are not adding Ansible controller. Okay, except Ansible controller, we are adding this one. Okay, now this one is over. Okay, now what we are doing? Now we are going to generating SSH key. We are generating SSH key and and adding this key to all machines. We can create one shell script file ssh hyphen keygen, then ssh hyphen copy hyphen id space hyphen I tilde. So it goes to the SSH key, public key goes to slash root dot ssh dot ssh slash id underscore rsa dot pub. Okay, this is the key. Now, so what we are taking, we are taking this one, we are adding to all. I'm preparing for shell script file without adding individually, so we can add at a time. Just let me take this one. So just copy this one. Now move to, okay, uh, cd space slash opt. Now I'm going to one. I'm going to creating one file slash opt ll svam vam ssh ssh t p gen and copy dot sh ssh keygen and copy dot sh. So what we are doing, by this command we are going to generating ssh key. After that we are sharing to all these respective nodes. Now save this one. Now ll. Now give the permission chmod u plus x sss. See guys, now we got this file. Now what we are doing, now we are going to generating sss key. At present we don't have that slash root dot sss. See guys, nothing here. Now what we are doing, so at a time we are going to generating key. Immediately we are setting to all given nodes in that shell script file dot slash ssh. See, now I'm executing this shell script file. This is the command to execute shell script file. Now hit the enter. Just wait. Now hit the enter again. Again hit the enter. Again hit the enter. Yes, see guys, we have generated key. Now it's trying to set the key to which server 157. Just apply that yes, and it's asking password. Just whatever the password 177 password 157 server password. Apply that. Next. Okay. Now it's asking that host name. Just it will ask the confirmation, but it won't ask the password. Now it's asking 154. Okay. Now 157 is over. 157 is over. Now it is asking 154. Again apply that yes, and it is asking 154 server password. Yes, now it's asking 154 host name SonarQube. Just apply that yes. Now two servers over with the host name and IP address. Now it's asking 152. Yes, yes. Again 150 servers password. Yes. Now it's asking confirmation with the Tomcat web server host name. Yes. Okay. Three servers is over. Now it's asking 150, 163. Yes, apply yes and its password and its confirmation web server. Yes. Now it's asking 135 yes and its password and a confirmation on CI/CD server name. Successfully we have configured. So passwordless authentication is very very important for managing and maintaining or if you want to work with Ansible. Ansible works over SSH. Over SSH. Now we have configured passwordless. If you want to check it SSH, now you can apply that. You can apply this. What is the IP address? For example, 163. Now I am trying to log in into 163 server from Ansible controller without password. See guys, it's not asking password. Now we are inside the web server. IP space A. See guys, 163. Now I am coming out from that server. Exit. Now I am asking that yes, I am trying to switch on 135 from Ansible controller. Yes, see guys, CI/CD server IP space A. Now I am coming out from the 135. Now I am trying to log in into 154, for example. See guys, IP space A. Okay, exit like that. So we have configured passwordless authentication. That's calling as a SSH passwordless authentication. So this is very very important to configure or to work with Ansible. Without SSH, You can't. See guys, in this file, okay, slash etc host file, we have added IP address and host name. After that we have generated key. After that we have shared the key to these all respective servers. So this part is over. This part is over. Next, coming to second part. Okay, now we are going to configuring Ansible. Now we are going to installing and configuring Ansible on the master machine only, on the controller only. You need not to install any packages here. You need not install any packages here. Just okay, you need to add this IP address and host name into Ansible controller slash etc host file. Then you have to add this IP address or host name into Ansible host inventory file. This is the inventory file. This file is calling as a inventory file. Okay guys, so first of all you have to install Ansible. Then you can go for, once it's over, first of all you have to install EPL. Then you have to Ansible, you have to install Ansible. Then after installing Ansible only, you will get this directory. After installing only, you will get this Ansible directory. If you want to check it now, see at present we don't have that cd slash etc Ansible. See guys, no such file or directory. No such file or directory, because so when we will get this directory, after installing Ansible only. Okay, now, so what we are now, I'm trying to installing directly Ansible. Install Ansible -y. See, it's not possible to install. See, now what I'm doing, that directly I'm installing Ansible without installing EPL. So what we got, that yes, we got that issue. See, unable to find a match Ansible, because it depends on extra package for enterprise Linux. So we need to install install EPEL space -y. See guys, unable to find. Okay, EPEL release. This is the command guys. We have to install EPL release. Okay, now we have installed. Now you can apply the command same. See, Ansible. Now we are going to installing Ansible. Just wait. Just wait. Yes, guys. Here already there is a video in my channel. Okay, I have uploaded this one. Ansible install and the configuration on AWS. Just let me show you that. Ansible install and configuration. See guys. Okay, Ansible install and configuring by shell script. See, so I have installed this one. Please go through this one guys. This is the video. Please go through this one. Okay, so I'll share this link. Okay, yes, use this one. Please go through this one. Okay, okay guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now just wait guys, it's going to installing the package. So now where we are going to installing guys, this infrastructure, this one we are going to configuring on premises. On premises mean on our laptop. On our laptop. Okay. Ansible configuration on on premises. Okay, so on premises we are going to configuring this environment. You can go through this one, guys. Okay, the same one is here on the, okay, and okay, this one, okay, not this one, guys. Okay, this one I have configured by on premises only. Just wait. There is one more video, I think. There is one more. That one also. Okay, okay, guys. Maybe that's not available. I will upload that. I will upload this one also by this one. Just wait.
Once everything's perfectly organized, I'll start working on my thesis. Normally, so Ansible what means I have one, two, three.
Okay, guys. That is an on premises. I'll send you that, okay, video already. There is a video. Okay, I'll send it. Just wait. Maybe I kept in private. Okay, first of all let me finish this one, then we'll see. Okay, still it's going. Something went wrong, maybe network issue. So meanwhile I'll check it. Okay, maybe I kept in private. Okay, guys, there is a video. So okay, I'll do that. Okay, so I kept in private. Okay, so I'll upload that once again. I'll upload. Okay, then you can go through that video. Okay. Okay, guys, it's going slowly a little bit due to some network issue. Okay, so we'll try to check it with them. Okay, okay, that's good. Just wait, we'll see, guys. Now it's going to installing Ansible. Maybe the network in a little bit interruption. Too much fluctuations are here. So not going good. Total 12 packages are there. So 12 out of 12, and now it's going the 12th package. So downloaded, and now it's going to installing. Just wait, guys. Okay, yes, so successfully we have installed. Now rpm space hyphen qi Ansible. See guys, we have installed Ansible. The version is okay 7.70 EPL. Okay, EL extra package Linux. And coming to Ansible description, this is the important. This is the official message. Ansible is a radically simple model-driven configuration management, multi-node deployment, and remote task execution system. Ansible works over SSH and does not require any software or daemons to be installed on remote nodes. I mean that. So in these nodes, we need not install. It's mean we need not install. These are the nodes here. You need not to install any kind of daemons or any kind of software inside this nodes mission. It's a completely it works over SSH. Okay, it works over SSH and does not require any software or daemons to be installed on remote nodes. Okay, extension modules can be written in any language and are transformed to manage missions automatically. This is the process. Okay, this package provides okay curated set of Ansible collections included in addition to Ansible core. We have installed Ansible core software. Okay, guys. Now what we are doing that just now let me check that Ansible icon am ping local host. Local host mean this Ansible controller. See, it's under control. This Ansible controller mission under control of Ansible software. This Ansible controller under control of Ansible software. Now ping all. Now what I'm doing that I'm calling to these all missions. These are not responsive. See, provided host list be empty. Provided list should be empty. List mean this list is empty. This is the inventory file. Inside this inventory file, we didn't add this host list. Now what we have to do? We need to add it. So what I said that after installing only we will get /etc Ansible directory. This directory will get after installing Ansible software. Before that we will not get. Now we have installed. Now let me take this. Let me yes take here yes. Yes, you can add individual or you can add all. So if you add like this, so we will get okay a host name and IP address. Okay, yes, these all are under come all. And if you want to set group wise, for example, this is one server, this is one purpose. Guys, Now here, what is this one? Yes, SCM server, and this one, okay, code quality QA server, code 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 analysis QA server, code analysis, okay, code quality analysis. Next, web server. This one is a web app server. Web server is different. Web app. So in the web server, what we are doing? We are going to installing or placing all web applications. Now this one is okay. CI CD server. These are the groups. Now take this all, copy this one. Now move to Ansible. Yes, VAM/etc Ansible. See guys, post. This is the inventory file. This is the example text they have given. This is the example steps. Okay, but this won't work because they are in the comment line. If you uncomment, okay, if the matchable, okay, or matchable settings are there, they will work. Otherwise, we will get errors. See guys, now these are the inventory list. Okay, now from this time, now what we did, so we have added in this inventory file, in this post inventory file. Now you can, now you can ask to controller, you can ask by one command, apply the command. Yes, Ansible -m module ping all. Ansible -m mean module. Ping is a module. All mean, so we are pinging all servers whatever we are having. Now let me apply this one. See guys, if everything is fine, we can see ping pong in green color. It's mean that's correct. It's mean that is correct. See guys, successfully we have configured Ansible. Okay, all node missions are under control of Ansible controller. Now let me ping by one. For example, if I want to ping only this one, CI/CD. Yes, now Ansible -m ping CI/CD. See guys, the group servers. See, in the group, how many servers are here? Two servers. One is the IP and the IP address, one is the host name. Of course, both are same. Both are same, but Ansible picking the details, or it pinging on for CI/CD server name, and it's pinging on its for IP address, host name and IP address. If you want to ping by, if you want to ping by only IP address or host name, Ansible -m ping. For example, if you want to this one, yes, only a particular IP address, individual. See guys, if you want to ping by, if you want to ping by host name, Ansible -m ping. See guys, spelling mistake. See guys, it's pinging like that. Not only this server, you can pick any one from the given inventory file list. You can ping from this inventory list, whatever you want. Okay guys, this is the process to set up or to configure Ansible environment. So here we have configured successfully Ansible environment with multiple nodes. How many nodes are here? With the 5 nodes, and one controller node. With the 5 nodes and one controller node, guys. So this is the process to set up Ansible environment. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. That's all in this session. Thank you. Okay, guys, here I'm giving some more help on this one. So, if you want to take these steps, you can take, but keep in mind. So, you have to change your IP address depends on your servers. Okay, and you can change the host names also. This is my GitHub repository. Yes, here. Just wait. Here already have that Ansible playbooks. So here I'm going to creating one more Ansible configuration. Configuration dot sh. Okay, but keep in mind. So as per my environment, I have taken this IP address. So whenever you are going to configuring this one, you have to change your IP address. Okay, that's all, guys. Okay.